if you're having idle issues with your NA6 Miata, there's a chance that your idle speed control valve is faulty. Normally it should read 12 ohms, but here it's reading over 100. To fix that, you will need to cut into the back of the connector to reattach the coil winding back onto the pin. Okay, here's the resistance, 133 ohms, and that is across the two pins. But if I remove this connector and just go directly to this bare wire that you see in here, if I touch that, I now get 13.7 ohms, and the test leads are about like 1 ohm or 1.3 ohms. So I think all I need to do is finish dremeling away this plastic until I could get to the back part of the pin and solder it back together. Okay, so this little piece of wire, right now it is open. If I push it around, then it gets contact again. So I just got to keep digging at this so I can get to the back of the pin and solder it together. If you look closely, the tip of that wire there is a little burnt. And after a bit of digging, I was able to find the pin. It sort of makes a 90-degree turn into it. There's the back of the pin right there. Should give me plenty of space. I got a little solder blob on there with the wire, and I'm now reading 12.2, and the wires are like 0.2 ohms of resistance. So I think it's fixed. I just gotta fill in that giant hole with some sort of epoxy and throw it back on. Well, instead I just filled it up with RTV. That should do fine. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see if the ACI LUP works. Turn it on. Oh boy, it finally works. Now I just have to adjust the base idle. Well, that's how you fix it.